What is going on, everybody? It is the day before Christmas Eve here in Boston. It is actually 50 degrees out today. Oh, the snow's melting. It's actually a hell of a lot different than it has been since these other videos. The baby's doing good. Suzi's doing awesome. Like I said in the last video, we're booking a lot of stuff coming up in the spring. But as soon as January, we have a few little trips to go on to record and to share with you guys. So it's getting there. But this is just filler stuff. We want to make sure you guys have a movie every weekend. Plus, we want to share a lot of stuff that we had in the past that we didn't really video, that we have a lot of pictures of, and we kind of just want to document everything and kind of share it and remember where we went, and when we go again, show the contrast of what was there and what isn't there. So this next trip is from 2010. Let's double check. 2010. Yes, I think it's 2000. Yes, it is 2010. 2010, Labor Day weekend. I went on a road trip. I flew into Milwaukee. I did Milwaukee, Minneapolis, Kansas City, and I stayed in Iowa for a day or so, and Field of Dreams and stuff like this. So I seen a bunch of ballparks, a bunch of cities in the Midwest. Rented a car, drove in Giant Loop. Cool trip. Nice 4-day weekend. I think I left on a Friday, got home on a Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, Monday. Let's see. I'll tell you exactly what I went in. I worked backwards here because Monday I was in Milwaukee for that game. Sunday I was in Iowa, but I had gone to the KC game that day. Saturday was a travel day. I drove from Minnesota to Kansas City, got there around 9 o'clock at night. Friday morning I flew into Milwaukee and I drove up to Minneapolis and went to the game Friday night. There you go. Boom. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you in a little bit. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that baseball road trip. It took a few more parks that we visited so far. Yeah, that was the trip. If you guys enjoyed these videos, subscribe, share with a friend. Check out our scribble map down below. It shows every single place we've been to in the video that goes with it too, so you get to see where we went in the video. And one thing to disclose, though, we marked every place we've gone to. By each place we marked may or may not be in each video, so there's something to keep an eye on. Because a lot of times we were like, well, we went to the store, but we want to remember we went to that store. Or we went to that restaurant, but we didn't record anything. So that's basically how it works. So, but if you don't see it in the video and you have any questions about any of the places that we had marked, leave a comment below. We'll tell you about it, because that's why we want to remember kind of stuff we did. So hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe, share with a friend. And I click the little alarm button to get alerts every time we're live or every time we post a new video. So see you guys later. Have a nice Christmas. Bye.